Good morning, everybody. So we have a few things to go over today. One, I finally did it. I cut my hair. I actually really like it. I was a little nervous because it was such a chop up, but I like it. Scott likes it, and it feels healthy, and I'm going in with short hair. So anyways, so now that we have established my haircut, I want to say hi, welcome to the Coffeeist. Today's video we are going to do a decor haul for Christmas. So like I said, there are going to be some things that I have gotten from last year but are still available this year. It's just that I got them after season sale, and then things that I got this year that are still available. So I want to make sure that I get these things out for you guys so you can see them for or grab them before they all go out. I do have my coffee. I know it says hot cocoa, no judgment, but yeah, let's get into today's haul. So the first one that I'm going to start off with are going to be the new items that are still available. So I went to Hobby Lobby, and no, I didn't get the velvet ornaments that everybody, that went viral. No, I didn't get those. I got something different just because this year I usually decorate with a lot of reds and greens and stuff like that, and then this year I kind of wanted to be more subdued. So I'm probably going to still have like certain areas of the house that have the red because I just have so much of it, but I do want to do, like, since we have multiple trees, I want to do something different. So first ornament up, and these are all at 50% off, are these from I think these are just plain from Hobby Lobby's company, but they're shatterproof. I do have cats and I hope to soon have kids, so I do want to start having a collection of shatterproof ones, but also I have my glass ornaments as well. These were priced at $15.99, and I think they're nice. They're different. They do have a little bit of glitter on it, so we'll see how that is when I take them out. I can see that it is coming out on the box a little bit, so you can see like some of the glitter. Christmas time, it's always going to be magical. There's going to be glitter everywhere. You just take out the vacuum and vacuum it up. So I got 2 of these, so a total of 8, and I think these will be nice. I'll do ribbon as well. I haven't ordered the ribbon yet, but I'm going to get it off of Amazon. I'm trying to figure out what color I want to go with, if I want to do like a burgundy or a brown. Since it is a flocked tree, it's not going to be, I don't want to do white or anything close to white because they'll just be lost in there, but it's still up in the air. I'm trying to think of which one I want to do. Next are these ornaments. They're also shatterproof, really pretty. I got 2 sets, so again 8, and these were at $14.99. And then I also got another set like this, and these were priced at $8.99. Oh, sorry about my nails, guys. It was Halloween nails, and my 2 came off, my thumb and my pointer finger, but I will be doing them today, so just, pretend like you don't see them. I never mentioned it. It's not there. But I got 2 of these, and I think they're going to be nice. I have some other ornaments that are similar to these that are gold, and I'm going to scatter those across again with ribbon, and I will see how it will turn out. I'm also doing some Pics. So speaking of Pics, I did get quite a few because I wasn't really sure what I needed, and at the time when everything was out and people were purchasing Christmas, I didn't want to miss out on anything in case I did need it. I just wasn't ready. I didn't know what I wanted, how I wanted to decorate for Christmas, and it's interesting. Anyways, I got these Pics. I think they're super pretty. And these were priced at $3.99. Oops. There we go. $3.99. And how many did I get of these? 1, yeah, I just got 3. So I got a total of 3. I figured I can stick them in between. I love it when we have kids to do like one of those fun Christmas trees with the candy sticking out. I think it would be really fun. We're not quite there yet, so for now, these kind of gave me that same kind of like childlike feeling. And yeah, I just really enjoyed these. When I saw them, they looked magical to me. The crystals don't really come off. There was a little bit of like dust, so I don't know how that happened because these have been in the bag. But anyways, they don't really fall off unless like you're really messing with it too much. Not like the other ones that are very glittery and can easily come off. So speaking of glitter ones, I got these feathered ones from Hobby Lobby. They're really pretty. I think that they're versatile, so I can, even if I decide to do like a red Christmas again, like traditional colors, I can still utilize these. I can always put them in like a vase as filler. And these were $1.99 at 50% off, and I was like, oh my gosh. Hold on. There you go. And they are very glittery. FYI, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I got 6 of these because they're so thin, and I just thought that it would be nice. Yeah. So that's that. And then I got these icicle looking ones. Yeah, they're really pretty. They remind me of kind of like ice on a tree, and it just got crystallized or frozen. These were $3.99. These were $3.99, and I got 1, 2, 3. I got 4 of these, and I figured in between as well, they may get a little lost just because of the coloring, but the crystals will still come through, and you know it's wires, so you can always manipulate it the way that you would like for it to hang. So I thought these were really nice. Again, versatile, so if I want to use these in a red Christmas, I still can. I didn't want to buy too much of just, oh, it's a white Christmas and that's the only time I can use it. I wanted to be able to utilize it other Christmases as well. So that's all I got for Pics and Christmas tree decorations, but then I did get a Nutcracker. I limit myself to 1, and this is all I'm getting. I don't want another one. I feel like I need to be very mindful of how many I get, but here he is. He's very cute. He's holding a teddy bear and cocoa and cookies. I have a similar one to this that I got last year, except he is holding like gingerbread, and I don't know, he looks like he was like the creator of the gingerbread, so it was cute. I thought this guy kind of reminded me of him. Maybe I can put them kind of next to each other, but he was $21.99. And then of course, you know, 50% off. But I do like how the outfit isn't kind of like painted like your traditional ones. I do like that it's fabric, and I don't know, I think the only thing I would have added if I was this creator would be glasses. I feel like he just needs like some spectacles just to be like, I'm sitting there for Santa, or I am Santa, and I'm having the little bear for the kids, and I'm drinking my cocoa and coffee, or cocoa and cookies. I don't know. I really like gingerbread or nutcrackers, and I think that they just bring a lot of like fun and life to them. I know a lot of people do the naked nutcrackers. I like them in other people's decor. For me, it doesn't bring me the same joy to see a naked nutcracker, so I have one. I have like a semi-naked one, and I really didn't know what to do with him. I felt like he just got like lost in the house because he wasn't, you know, like he wasn't here. Then we got like little ones to put on our tree because I had found some of them at Ross last year. They were really nice, but these are super cute. They are the Christmas shop. They were originally $6.99. It was a little bit more expensive than I wanted to pay, to be honest, but they do this. Yeah, it's so cute. I love it. And Scott had grabbed it and I was like, $6.99. I was like, that's a little expensive, sweetheart. And he's like, but look. And I was like, okay, fine. So we got this one. I think we ended up getting like 30. Yeah. We got 3. This one. Let me see if I can get them all out. But yeah. Anyways, so in my opinion, yes, it's expensive, but I really enjoy Nutcrackers, so it was just something that I did. And then Scott did get his Christmas tree ornament. I haven't gotten mine yet, but he got his. And of course, as a man, he got this one that says game on. It has like soda and chips, and this one was marked at $7.99. So that's all the new stuff that I got. It wasn't a lot. Oh, I lied. I'm so sorry. I haven't even opened it yet. That's why. I got the garland from Kirkland's. It is available. I went and I checked this weekend, and it is available. But, you know, it also depends on your local location if it's available for pickup or delivery. I did get mine shipped. And it's that Real Touch Norfolk one. Thought about getting a secondary one because they were having a sale. I want to see how I can decorate with this next year. I'm sure it'll also be available because it's such a big hit that a lot of people are getting it. So it is the 6-foot-long one. And it was originally $39.99. And I think it's 6 feet. Is it 6 feet? I think so. Don't quote me. But yes, it was originally $39, and I believe it was like I had a 20% off discount in addition to it. So pretty long. I want to see how I'm gonna use it. Thought about getting 2 so I could layer it, but I don't have a fireplace mantle, and I played around with putting it maybe like right where our TV is, like underneath there, and maybe layering it with my other garlands, or I can put it on the dining room table, but then I feel like it's not as enjoyable because I won't see it or it'll get in the way. But that's pretty much it for all new items. That's all I got, and that's fine. I mean, like, we're not gonna do Christmas outside until Thanksgiving. It's tradition. So I usually decorate the house inside for Christmas for Thanksgiving, and then outside the day of Thanksgiving we will do outside. So putting up like the lights and stuff like that, it's just a family thing. And that also goes for our main Christmas tree, the one that we'll put like presents under. That one we'll decorate as a family. And I don't record that one just because I feel like it's our family time. It's not something that I really want to be filming. I just want to be in the moment. So I will show you guys the tree when it's completed. We usually wait for my brother to come because he lives in Seattle, and when he comes down we do it together as a family, and it's just something enjoyable, you know, like we make cookies, we have a good time with it, and like I said, I like to be in the moment for that. So I won't be filming us decorating it, but I'll definitely film the end result. I have 2 other Christmas trees to decorate, so We'll see how that works out. I don't think I have enough ornaments, 100%. I don't believe that I do. And we'll figure it out. One of my Christmas trees we got when we first moved in, and it's like one of those really skinny Christmas trees that we had got from Big Lots, I believe, and it was like maybe 40 bucks. But we had just moved in and we had spent so much money on buying the house, and it was just, in general, it was just like a lot of money and work and everything. And I said, you know, this skinny little Christmas tree is going to be fine. Like, it's okay. My mom died when she saw it. She's like, are you kidding me? That's not Christmas. You have to get a real Christmas tree, because we've always gotten one. And so we ended up getting a small Christmas tree that year. And so going back anyways, this Christmas tree has been through it, and it's been this is gonna be our 4th Christmas in this house. And last year it was leaning like bad, like really, really bad. And I was like, how can I get this thing to be straight? I decorated it beautifully. Like, I had black ribbon on it, had crystals that looked very like vintage, Gatsby like, and those were the vibes that I was going for that tree. And I said, oh my gosh, it's leaning to the side. I really hope it makes it through for the following year. So when I take it out, I'm really interested to see how it's held up through the year and if I'm going to be able to use him. If not, I will definitely donate him. I'm sure like somebody will be able to utilize him. I don't want him to be thrown out into the trash because he still has life. Just tilted life. So, but some of the stuff that I got last year after season sale was at IKEA. IKEA had these Strala design Lena Vortier something. So it's this. This is what the front cover looks like, and it's 35 centimeters. It doesn't have batteries, but it does light up, and this is what it looks like. I believe we got these at $5, and I got 3 of them because I feel like I'm gonna put them on our French doors going out. But yeah, I thought this was really pretty, and we got a few of these. Then we got 2 of their Christmas trees that are about 3 or 4 feet tall. They kind of look like the sparse trees that were really really popular last year, just in a miniature version. So it looks like this. And these were $10 a piece. It was really good. We got 2 of these. My mom, I think, also got 2. And or I got it for her. I can't remember. It was such a blur. But they had a lot of nice stuff. And I believe when I went like about a month ago and they had put out their Christmas stuff, these were also in that collection as well. But everything that I can link, I will link down below as always. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this small miniature haul that I have. But we'll soon be decorating. I'm actually going to film right now, so I will be decorating our family room first. And as always, I really hope you guys have a great day and you guys enjoyed being here at the Coffeeist. And I can't wait to see you next time. Bye.